Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Welcome back to Tea Time with Nami. Have you noticed that many Japanese recipes require thinly sliced meat? When you visit Japanese grocery stores, you will see various packages of thinly sliced pork and beef in the meat section. If you don't have Japanese grocery stores nearby, you can prepare this thinly sliced meat by yourself. How do we do that? Let's begin. I will show you how to thinly slice steak, pork belly, and pork loin. You can apply the same process to other meats. First, place meat in a freezer-safe bag and freeze for 1.5 to 2 hours. Freezing time depends on how much meat and how fatty the meat is that you're slicing. The meat should be soft enough for a knife to cut through. Make sure you have a sharp knife, or else the meat won't have a nice edge. If the meat is too soft, just place it back in the freezer to chill more. If you don't plan to use the meat immediately, you can wrap in plastic wrap and keep it in the freezer. You can use thinly sliced meat for Japanese dishes such as Sukiyaki, Yakisoba, Okonomiyaki, Gyudon, and more. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and you can read more in details over on my blog. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next Tea Time with Nami. またね!